مكشوف. تيك توك 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 تيك توك.
Hey bestie girls, welcome to another wig install, y'all. This wig is from Beauty Forever Hair, and baby, when I tell you it gave sexy, the hair is so big and just fluffy, and that is what I like when I'm wearing a wig, y'all. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig. I did not use any glue. I only used spritz and then the little ear tabs that came with this wig. It is tea. I'm going to say it's beginner friendly because I'm not even a frontal girly, and I was able to complete this look in less than 20 minutes. So yes ma'am, without further ado, y'all, let's get into this video, and thank you to our besties at Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring today's video.
Oh yeah. They gotta be open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in USDON. I get too crazy, got a little baddie now. We stay good friends, we get too ready. All I know is that she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just hit the city with the G-block stainers, and we got adopted by some for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside that would cause you to judge, outside of the
Enjoy the show. So we in Houston, celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we're in Houston. We're definitely going down.
They need me to go, but I don't wanna leave. Rest in peace, Lil Keith. Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, it's a different mode. I'ma have to make a paint of 6 on a pinky toe. Heard you with a shooting guard, just let a nigga know. I would have you courtside, not the middle row. All good love in a minute though. I can't stress about no bitch cause I'm a timid soul. Plus I'm cooking up ambition on the kitchen stove. Pot start to bubble, see the suds, that shit good to go. Whole sound suave, but I can't get recalled. Bro, thinking John Wayne, I bought them Yellowstones, love the way they hang, babe. For the silicone, everybody.
Alright besties, this is our finished and completed look. I was going to do like a little baby hair on the side, but I decided just to keep it as is. I'm actually stepping out tonight, and this is my little hair of the night, and I want to keep it really simple, really basic. Didn't want to do too much, and also y'all know I'm very much so a beginner, so sometimes the baby hairs be whooping me down, so I decided to just leave it perfect length. And as you guys could tell, these little ear tabs are literally tea. Like, you basically can call this a glueless wig because I didn't use no glue on it. All thing I used was the ear tabs and some spritz, literally, because yeah, and it's secure. It's out there, it is stuck. Thank you to our besties at Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye besties. Mwah.